Hello, welcome to Master Investor Company. In this podcast, you're going to learn the new rules of money, the business principles that work in all economies, and everything that you need in order to start building passive income or scale your existing cash flow, aka passive income. Here, you're not only going to have the information, but also the opportunities to build real wealth with us at Master Investor. Our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education made simple with lucrative opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. Make sure that you follow us on all platforms at Master Investor. Welcome to our community and thank you for your time.